Hello guys, this is my first video with my friend.
No.
Friend, what's your name?
I'm Bakla.
Adventure Craft.
I'm Bakla.
Today we're making some player launcher. Tools, obsidian,
No.
TNT, TNT, button, some water bucket and redstone dust. Okay, where are you? Oh shit, disconnected from server. Why I'm disconnected? This is so very fuck. Oh, Ender boy, let's back and play. Why is it no network? Oh yeah, connected. Let's go. PC. PCP. This is over fuck. Bullshit. No more. There's it. Sorry guys, there's John Carlo. Adventure Craft.
Hi guys. Hi guys, welcome back to Kids Minecraft video. Hi guys. Hey you idiot.
This is
Nota.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8. Okay. Just
Just add some water.
and get the redstone dust.
Nope. Not anymore. Hi guys. Hi guys.
Oh, disconnected again.
Ingkakitan. Hantay nariing. Ingkakitan. Wala.
So very hard. Bullshit.
Dito. Dito.
Wait for me, Ender boy. Wi-Fi. This is over fuck. Fuck. Oh yeah. Faster. Yeah. Oh, this is it. Pansit. Pansit. So very lagging.
Oh, nakapanti.
Faster, boy.
Wait a minute. Ito.
Oh shit, disconnected again.
No.
Fucking
Your Minecraft is so
disconnected.
very disgusting.
Disconnected and connected. Bullshit. Wi-Fi is so very low. Low net. Back play.
Let's play.
Hey, wait.
Let's now watch.
Go.
Come.
Watch and learn.
Come.
Ito maya pa.
Now let's watch Adventure Craft.
You're not Adventure Craft. You render, boy. Fire in the hole. Bugog. Fly, fly away. Oh yeah.
Oh, some of the TNT did not work.
Don't. Please leave like and comment a fucking bullshit comment. Bye guys.